class, my name is Jeremiah. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics, but before we do that, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I want to be notified on my next video. Do well also to like my video each time you come across it. Like it, drop a comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends in the internet. Now let's solve this given question. It's a question under mean deviation. So the question under what? Mean deviation. So the question says what? Determine the mean deviation for the data values 5, 3, 7, 8, 4, 9. Now let's find it. Let's find what the mean deviation. Now I'm going to show you step-by-step method on how to find mean deviation. Now the first thing to do is what? Find the mean for the given data. Now the formula for mean is what? Sum or total sum of total number divided by number of data set. So it's what? Sum of total number or sum of total data set divided by what? Number of data set. So mean, this is the symbol for mean, right? Now let's find the sum of total number. This is the number. We are going to what? Add it all together. We have what? 5 plus 3 plus what? 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus what? Plus 9 divided by what? Number of data set. Now what's the number of data set? Okay, we can represent it by what? N. Number of data sets, let's represent it by what? N. So now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N is what? 6. Right? Which is what? The number of data sets. So we're writing what? 6 here. Now we have our mean. When you add everything together here, we're going to have what? 36. So we have 36 divided by what? 6. And 36 divided by 6 is what? 36 divided by 6 is what? Is 6. So we have done step 1. Step 1 was to do what? Find the mean, right? And we have done what? We have found the mean. Now let's go right ahead to step number 2. And what is step number 2? Step number 2 is to what? Subtract each mean from the data value and ignore the minus sign if any. I can subtract each mean from the data value and ignore the minus sign if any. Now the mean, we have the mean as what? The mean was what? 6, right? So in step number 2, this is step number 2. Step number 2 is to what? Is to what? Subtract each mean from the data value and ignore the minus sign if any. Now let's go right ahead to do that. We have what? 5 minus, let's start with this 5 minus what? Okay, before that, this is the formula. X minus this. Xi minus what? Our mean. This xi is what? The individual what? X. This is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6. So let's start it. We have what? X1, which is the first one, minus what? Our mean. So we have what? X1 is what? 5. We have 5 minus our mean, which is 6, which equals to minus 1. But when we ignore the minus, we have what? 1. So we have what? X2 minus our mean, which is what? 3 minus what? Our mean, right? Which is what? Minus 3. When we ignore the minus sign, we have what? We have 3. The next thing is what? X3 minus what? Our mean. We have what? 7 minus our mean is what? 1. 7 minus 6 is what? 1. The next thing we have what? X4 minus our what? Our mean. We have what? 8 minus what? Our mean is what? 6. 8 minus 6 is what? 2. What next do we have? We have x5 minus what? Our mean. So we have what? 4 minus what? 4 minus 6, which is what? Minus 2. When we ignore the minus sign, we have what? We have 2. So what next? We have x6 minus our mean, and x is what? X is what? 9. So we have what? 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is what? 3. Are you getting me? So we have done step number 2. Now step number 3 is to find the mean value for the obtained data set. Step number what? Step number 3. Find the mean value for the obtained data set. Find the mean value for the obtained data set. Now let's find the mean value. Let's find the mean value. We are going to use this. So I'm not going to clean it. We are going to use this one. So let's find the mean value. The mean value. Right? Are you getting me? The mean value for what? For the obtained data set. So what do we have now? We have, as usual, mean equals what? Sum or total sum. Let me write total sum of data set divided by what? Number of data set. Are you getting me? So this is the formula. So we have what? Our mean value is equal to what? Is equal to, we are going to add this one of this one, the positive one, all these ones that we find, this one, this, and what? This. So we are going to add them together. Are you getting me? So we have what? 1 plus 3 plus what? 1 plus 2 plus 2 again. 2 appear 2 times, right? Plus what? Plus 3 divided by number of data sets, which is what? N, right? Which is what? N, right? And N from the beginning, I told you it was 6. Here also is the same thing as 6 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you count these numbers, they are what? They are 6 in numbers. So we have divided by 6. Are you getting me? So, having done that, let's move ahead. Let's add them together. We have mean value is what? We have one. Let's add it together. We have 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3 is what? 12. So we have what? 12 divided by 6. And 12 divided by 6 is what? 2. So now this answer is what? The mean deviation. So mean deviation equals what? 2. That is the solution to this given question. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I don't be notified of my next video. Do well also to like my comment, like my post rather, and drop a comment in the comment box. Don't forget to share my videos to your friends in the internet. See you in my next post.